So do I just answer that? I actually had some notes about that. Hi, my name is Melissa Harju and I'm a customer support manager here at Enfuce. I joined the team in February 2024. I first heard about Enfuce in November 23 after they secured the follow-up investment round. And then a couple months later, a new position opened up and I had this feeling that they're really doing something special here and I somehow really want to be a part of that, and I haven't looked back since. We are the first point of contact to our customers after their card product goes live. So obviously at that stage, the stakes get a lot higher when there's an actual end user that chose our customer and chose to use their card product that is powered by Enfuce. So I think one of the ways that we bring happiness to our customers is really being invested in their business case and knowing their use cases and how our tech and how our products work, specifically with their needs. In customer support, one of the most rewarding and one of the most fun things is that there isn't a business function within Enfuce that we don't somehow in one way, shape or form communicate with. We're such a diverse bunch of people, but somehow we all have a really clear sense of why we're doing this and who we're doing it for, our customers. So I think it's always a joy working with such incredible people. Well, I don't need a lot, I would say. I like hiking. I just spent 3 weeks in Slovenia just hiking with my best friends, and that was one of the best times of my life. I love to bake, I love to cook. I even brought a cake here today at the office. Almost every time I come to the office, I bring some kind of sweets. So I think those kinds of things, spending time with my partner and my friends and family. Nothing too special, but special to me. Of course, our yearly eSpire is something that I've had the pleasure to attend now once. That was really fun. We did some hot yoga and a lot of workshops, and I met a lot of people who I haven't met in person because we're located in different cities. So that was one of the highlights definitely of my time at Enfuce. And then also what I would classify as like my personal favorite day at Enfuce was the day I walked in here the first time. Everyone greeted me like I had already been here for like multiple months. Very friendly, asking questions that like showed genuine interest in who I am and what I'm all about. And then I also got to ask some questions to have some really interesting conversations with people. So yeah, eSpire and the first day here.